My name is Susan Aaronson, and I'm a professor here, and I have been privileged to work with several other people to organize this conference. So I'd like to introduce them to you first. So this is Sabina Muscat and good job, Susan. Sebastian Dewey of the Heinrich Böll Foundation. And then we have Michael Pisa from the Center for Global Development. And I don't see him, but he's probably here. And
he's on his way.
Okay, no problem. And we are honored that so many of you are interested in this topic. So I also want to thank Kyle and his staff who put this together. And so, okay. What we learn in our traditional classes, but also on data. And many countries are rich in data, but they don't yet see their citizens' personal data as an asset, as something they can use to grow or to create new sectors. And so many states, in fact most states, are just learning how to govern a data-driven economy. And we see this in the United States, where we don't even have any national law governing the use and sale of our personal data. So how do you maintain trust in such an economy when it is not protected by law? So today's conference will focus on the specific needs and perspectives of developing countries as they transition towards that data-driven future. Our first speaker is Dr. James Foster, who is one of my colleagues here at GW. And he is the Oliver T. Carr Professor of International Affairs, as well as a Professor of Economics at GW. Professor Foster's research focuses on welfare economics, and he's written among many of the most read papers on welfare economics, which means that he's using tools to evaluate people's well-being. He is going to give an overview of the Statistical Performance Index and the role of statistics, because if developing countries can't do a good job of developing their own statistics, they're going to have a really hard job using public data to solve major problems that their citizens